अरे घूरना बंद करो, पहले सब्सक्राइब करो।
The judge and his charge to the jury said, this poor boy's injury is very severe, and if what he states is right, it was due to the absence of a hooter on the car which Robinson drove along the arcade at a very fast rate, his speed, if we can take the story of the police is correct, being at least 40 miles an hour, for FAR for too fast and so busy a thoroughfare, The boy says the car came on with a rush, no alarm was given, he was struck and thrown with a force so terrific as to break his right leg, If you think his story is right, you will give him damages, If you assume his story is wrong, and if it appears to you the injury was caused by his own lack of vigilance, you will refuse him the damages for which he asks, You must carefully weigh both the boy's case and the case is set out by Robinson and decide on the facts as they appear to you, Exercise 85. Truth has been divided into three kinds, truth about things, truth of thought about things, and truth in the accurate expression of thought about things, According to ancient authorities, truth could be said to be a correspondence between thought and thing, It seems perfectly easy for anyone to think accurately about a thing with which he is quite well acquainted, But the case is not quite so simple as that, and there is, without doubt, a great deal to be said before it can be called simple, Suppose an unfortunate accident occurred in a London street, and that 6 people witnessed the accident, and were asked to relate exactly what had happened, It is quite certain that we should receive different accounts from each of them, The result would not be a correspondence between thought and the thing thought about, and so the statements would not be true, It is to be regretted that limited space prevents a more extended argument, though we could extend it if we cared to do so,